In the tapestry of Prophet Muhammad's life, one figure stands as a steadfast guardian, the noble Hazrat Abu Talib. His unwavering protection was a shield that safeguarded the Prophet throughout his entire life. Hazrat Abu Talib, the uncle of Prophet Muhammad, embraced his nephew with a love that transcended familial ties. From the early years in Mecca to the challenges of Medina, Abu Talib shielded the Prophet from the storms of opposition. When the winds of hostility blew from the Quraysh, it was Abu Talib who provided refuge, standing firm against those who sought harm. His protection was not just physical, it extended to the very essence of the Prophet's mission. In the face of boycotts and economic sanctions, Hazrat Abu Talib sacrificed his own comfort to ensure the well-being of the Prophet and the early Muslim community. His resilience echoed through the valleys of Mecca. Abu Talib's legacy is one of profound sacrifice and unyielding support. His commitment paved the way for the Prophet to fulfill his divine mission, despite the challenges that surrounded him.